Okay, so one of the technologies I want to share with you, uh, I want to first thank Darcy for allowing me to finish this a little bit late. I guess I misunderstood the assignment and I didn't do it right. I was supposed to make five videos, so I'm going to do my best to try to come up with with five technologies that we use in our classroom that we can use. So uh, anyway, so a couple of things I wanted to show. One thing I wanted to show you here is Newsela. Newsela. You get an email almost every day. What's cool about it is that you can learn quite a bit of stuff. You can assign. This is would be for journalism students. Uh, you can talk about election information. You have quite a bit of content there that you can use for students in journalism. Haven't really honestly into it just very much, but it's still interesting to use to look at every day. I have a little bit of time to look at it, so here's one here about Ruby Bridges and school desegregation, Trailblazer, and that. We'll take a look at what that brings up. Uh, I guess it wouldn't let me log in. I have to get my Newsela account. Uh, but anyway, it shows you information from the Associated Press that's adapted by their staff. It shows you this young lady named Ruby Bridges. If you guys remember back in history when this happened, very extremely brave and wonderful young lady who defied the odds and did things that most kids her age wouldn't do. So anyway, this is one of the fun technologies that are available for me in journalism for my students. Uh, Hope that's long enough. You guys, thank you for watching.